Hey guys, welcome to today's cost saving tip. Today we're going to talk about, how to do a barrier-free or curbless-free shower using, what we've been using is the WEDI system. The reason why you save money using a prefab system like this, because there's way less labor involved compared to some of the other products on the market or the traditional installation methods of doing these barrier-free showers. So the process, is really quite simple. So you can see here we've already kind of started. So you just cut out your section of the shower, the plywood, and then basically what we've done was we put our 2x4s in about 3/4 of an inch down on the floor joist, because that's the thickness of the plywood we're using here. They have another system where it's metal brackets, so you can use those as well. So basically after you cut your plywood out, you put in all your blocking 3/4 inch down. Now you're ready to just simply put your plywood panels back into place. Just like that, and you can see the plywood for the shower is now 3/4 of an inch lower than the subfloor outside of the shower. So with that being said, the next step is to basically get your 3/4 inch WEDI pan. You simply lay it in, and now you are at the same plane from the shower as you are in the bathroom, and that's it. Then you start assembling the wall boards, and other parts like that. So we're going to go over to the other bathroom and show you what that looks like. Alright, so now we showed you how easy it was to prep the floor, the shower pan for this curb-free shower system. So another reason why it's labor saving and time saving, is because the panels are super simple. So they're 1/2-inch foam. They're very, very light. You could probably carry all the panels you need for each bathroom in one shot into the building. Basically, the pan has a notch preformed into it, and these wall boards lock right into the floor. And then you simply use the WEDI caulking sealant around all seams, perimeters, and then, a simple install on the wall board is screws with washers. Again, once you seal all that, you're completely waterproof. So we usually do these, a couple showers in a day. You can have your plumber, electrician, carpenter. Pretty much anyone can do these, and it's simple and it's cost saving again because of the labor. As you can see, if you could do an entire shower in a day even, you're saving a ton of money in labor. Plus your plumber doesn't have to charge you to put the vinyl pan down or do a fiberglass plan. So there's a savings there as well. So that's our cost saving tip of the day. I hope you enjoyed it. Please hit that like and subscribe button for more content like this.